Hi mga Lodi, another day, another ball. Pumunta mo kami nga sa baryo-baryo para maglaro ng basketball. Tara, samahan mo kami. Now we're going to another barangay to play basketball. Tara, maagto kami ito sa barangay San Jose para magampang basketball. Guys, our journey is so far. We're gonna play basketball there.
Look at that!
Look at that!
Wow!
So good. My first time being here. We're gonna play basketball and we barrio and we bahay. We're gonna play on laptop. Still have a car journey to bye guys. Unfortunately, we cannot go there because it's raining, so we're going back to San Jose to play basketball there. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view, guys. It's so cool. There's so many birds flying.
Nice Suba. This is Suba River. Barangay San Jose, Bahay.
We're trying to play in San Jose. Unfortunately, we can't play there because there's so many people there. So we're going to another barangay. So we can play basketball. Now I'm here in Naili, Raili, Ibahayaklan. I'm gonna play basketball here so I can practice my crossover and practice my layups. There's no kids here, so I'm gonna play myself. So I can sleep by myself. Watawya. So, mahali na kami sa ibang barangay para makampang ako ito sa Mahuwa. Stay tuned. Now in Naligos, Bahayaklan to play basketball. court to play today. Here in the classmate kasi Timoy. Wala ka dito.
Three points. Try mo 3 points. Paabot.
Hey guys, this is the last court for today. This is the smallest court in Ibahay. This is Taul-Ang Ibahay, Aklan.
Half court, half court. Tira sa half court. Pass break. Get shot here. The smallest court in Ibahay, Aklan. Tulang, Barangay Tulang. Pero meron silang court doon na covered. Yun. Yung blue. Ito yung dating court ng Barangay Tulang. Yun. Let's go. We're going to their half court, the new court, the covered court. Come on.
Guys, nandito lang kami sa bahay. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, guys.